Hi friends, welcome back. This time I'm taking you to Hollywood, California. We were traveling with the toddler, so we were carrying the car seat, and the flight was approximately for 2.5 hours. I have explored around the world, but this destination was still pending, so let's explore LA. We took a shuttle from airport to the car rental place. It took around 2 hours to get our car. Further, add the notorious LA traffic, and we reached our hotel later in the evening.
वाह यार एलए में चला रहे हैं अब
So our day one was all about getting the car rental, facing the notorious LA traffic, and somehow reaching our hotel. What a relief. It is time to relax and call it a day. This is our Hotel Ramada. It is near the Griffith Observatory. यहाँ पर है 25, फिर 24 और फिर 19
वाह
और सन ने हमें फिर से बुला लिया.
अमेजिंग वेदर है ना.
Yeah, we are in LA and this is somewhere near Griffith Observatory. We're staying in Ramada. That will be our room. And I'm just loving the sunlight. I want to explore a new place which is vibe because I'm kind of done with cold weather. तो देखते हैं LA कैसा है, Hollywood कैसा है. Let's explore it. तो ये गाड़ी हमने रेंट करी है क्योंकि बेबी का स्ट्रोलर सारा सामान चाहिए. तो हमें पहले ही टिप मिल गई थी कि गाड़ी रेंट करो किसी अच्छी जगह से क्योंकि वेटिंग टाइम है. तो हमने एविस की जगह बजट से लिया.
बट दोनों आई थिंक एविस की कंपनी एविस एंड बजट और रिव्यूज अच्छे थे. बट एलए में इतने लोग आते हैं कि देयर वाज अ लॉन्ग लाइन और 3 घंटे तो नहीं ऑलमोस्ट 1-1.25 घंटा लग गया. इन स्पाइट ऑफ फैक्ट कि मैंने ऑनलाइन भी अपना कार डिटेल सब कुछ डाल दिया था. सो किसी ने टिप दिया है कि आप हर कार रेंटल के पास एक प्रिविलेज सर्विसेज होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल बजट के पास फास्ट ब्रेक है. तो अगर आप साइन अप करते हो तो आपको लाइन में वेट नहीं करना. जस्ट गेट डाउन एंड आपकी गाड़ी रेडी रहेगी आपको हैंड ओवर करने के लिए. सो ऑलवेज चेक दैट. साइन अप फॉर दैट प्रिविलेज सर्विसेज बाय द कार रेंटल कंपनीज.
Next day, we decided to visit the much awaited destination, which is known for spectacular views and also Hollywood sign. We reached the Griffith Observatory. Since it was weekend, the parking was not available on the top, so we only had an option to do a small hike uphill, but it was win-win because we saw some great views going to the observatory. That's Hollywood. We spent half a day here enjoying the views and the observatory. Next was the lunch. LA is known for great food, and since it was Mother's Day, we celebrated with Indian buffet. We wanted to go to the Hollywood Walk of Fame in the night, but our hotel manager said it's not safe, it's avoidable in the night time, so we decided to visit there the next day. There are more than 2,500 pointed stars which are made up of brass which are embedded on the sidewalks here. Welcome to Hollywood. Right now let's start with the stars. That's Tom Cruise. Look at the first star. You are on. It had a great vibe. There is a lot to do here, including shopping for the souvenirs, visiting your favorite artist stars, checking out the Chinese theatre, which has even more history about Hollywood. Then there is an option to see various shows, including the Ripley's show and also the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. It was great fun, especially when I have seen this area a lot on the TV, in the movies, and even events like Oscar. Our next destination is in this trip, which is called as the Dolby Theatre, which is also location of the Oscars. There is a famous mall which you can visit here for coffee or lunch. Also, there is a Hollywood sign inside the mall, and most incredible are these plaques.
रेड कारपेट यहीं से होता है जब ऑस्कर्स होते हैं, और ये फ्लैग्स ये लगा रखे उन्होंने हर साल कौन सी कंपनी कौन सी मूवी को अवार्ड मिला था. फॉर एग्जांपल 1976 रॉकी और ऑन बोथ साइड्स, प्लस फ्यूचर के लिए उन्होंने ऑलरेडी अरेंजमेंट्स कर रखे हैं. 2036 में 37 में 38 में कौन से मूवीज को मिलेंगे. इट्स वेरी कूल. एंड सामने देखो जिमी की मिठाई.
Oh yeah. 2048, 2059, 2071.
अब 2050 25 साल आगे का उन्होंने कर.
20.
Oh, almost the end of century.
Okay, all the movies. Evening, we decided to visit the beach because, of course, we are here for sand and sun. Okay, it was not like I imagined it to be. It was very crowded. Maybe because it's a very famous place. The water was freezing cold, so of course the sand and the sun didn't happen. But we got some great vibe and beautiful sunset to us. We saw some famous places including the Babagam Shrimp Company shop from the movie Forrest Gump, Route 66 sign, the Baywatch beach, and the super iconic and famous Ferris wheels. Santa Monica Pier is home to this world famous Pacific Park. It features the West Coast only over water Ferris wheel. It was time to go back to the hotel because distances are huge and we were traveling with a baby. We crossed the downtown LA and it was unusually quiet. Our day 4 plan was to explore more on Hollywood and check out some celebrity homes. And so here is the very famous Beverly Hills Drive. It's known for upscale shopping and sightseeing, even celebrity spotting if you are lucky. It's a famous place as we have seen it many times in Hollywood movies and shows. Our next plan was to have lunch nearby the Rodeo Drive. This drive is another famous drive which is home to various luxurious and glamorous brands. The most expensive shop here is the House of Bijan, which is actually for men apparel. All the other brands were of course present here, and it was a beautiful drive followed by lunch. Next, we drove a little bit uphill towards the Mulholland Drive, which is famous for celebrity mansions. We didn't spot any celebrity, but we did see breathtaking views of LA downtown, the skyline, and again the Hollywood sign. Of course, we could see some mansions. I didn't feel that hop on bus tour to this place is worth it. I rather enjoyed it from my own car. My next destination was the very famous outdoor shopping complex called as The Grove. It is known to be one of the most profitable shopping complexes of North America. It is built beautifully, just like a fairy tale. We were stepping back in time, watching beautiful fountains and trolley cars. It is a fun place, especially famous during the Christmas time. Last time I saw a trolley like this was in San Francisco and fountain like this in Vegas. Day 5 was the last day of our trip and we hoped for some sun and sand again, so we planned our lunch at the famous Venice beach. We really enjoyed here. This place has a great vibe. It's also known for some canals, but we were looking for food by the sea and we could get some great food here in this restaurant called as the Waterfront. And now it's time to end this trip. We were back to the airport, we planned our dinner there and took our flight back to Vancouver. Thank you so much friends for joining me virtually in this trip. I hope you enjoyed the details that I have shared. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.